Hi, boys and girls. So today we are going to be reading some poems about pets. So poetry is when we use words to describe pictures and feelings. And the cool thing about poems is that you might hear some rhyming words, okay? So that is the really cool thing about poems. Poems are almost like songs for us, okay? So rhyming is kind of like when words sound the same, have the same ending sound. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and you're just going to follow my cursor, okay? So, pet poems. This poem began as a folk song. Read it along with your class and then sing it together. So, Bingo. I think we all know this one. There was a farmer had a dog, and Bingo was his name. O Bingo, 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 and Bingo was his name. O. So, the O is what's making it rhyme. Now we have someone in our class, which is me today, is going to be reading this poem because this poem is in Spanish, okay? And then they have it in English. So it's called Caballito Blanco, Re Blanco. Caballito Blanco, Re Blanco, sácame de aquí y llévame hasta el puerto donde yo nací. So aquí and nací are the rhyming words in this one. This is translated in English is called Little White Horse. Little horse, white as snow, take me where I long to go. Snow and go are the rhyming words. Take me to the port by the sea where I was born and long to be. So C and B are the rhyming words. So as you can see, even in Spanish, there's rhyming words. Okay. And here we have a different poem here. So what kind of pet would you like to have? Would you like to have a furry pet or a pet with scales? So remember, this is kind of like your opinion. I want you to tell someone next to you what kind of pet you would rather have. Would you rather have a pet that's nice and furry or one that has scales and is kind of like slimy or bumpy? All right, go ahead and share with somebody. All right, now let's go ahead and get started with our poem about a pet snake. No trace of fuzz, no bit of fur, no growling bark or gentle purr, no cozy cuddle, no sloppy kiss. All he really does is hiss. So, this one here, we know that snakes, they have scales. They're very different than dogs or cats, right? Because cats bark or fur or purr, and dogs they bark, and they're both very fuzzy and furry. But not snakes. Snakes are nice and scaly, they're long, they slither, and they hiss, right? So, right here, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be doing the text to text, and we're going to compare pets. So, how is Willie different from the pet snake in the poem? Write words to tell about what Willie looks like and what he can do. Draw a picture. So, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be doing the character traits of Willie. I'm going to do the one of the snake so that you guys understand how to describe Willie and how to complete the assignment. I'm going to be doing the snake. You'll be doing what for Willie, okay? So here is the assignment here. So this is the snake one. You're just going to have Willie on there, and I'll show you what it looks like. But we're going to be describing the snake, okay? So we got to think about what does the snake look like? What does the snake do? What does the snake sound like, okay? So what are some character traits about a snake? Well, we know in the poem it said the snake can hiss. So the snake can hiss. We know that the snake has scales. Oops. We know that the snake is long. We know that a snake can be maybe slimy. And a snake can slither. So it doesn't have any legs like Willie, but it can still slither or crawl, right? Oops, let me get that R. Oh, let me write it somewhere else because it's not going to fit there. So slither. Okay, so you only have to write me about 4 things about Willie, describing Willie, okay? Just like I did the 4 things about the snake. And that will be my assignment as teacher, but yours is going to be different. Yours is going to have Willie's picture instead of a snake, okay? So you are going to have to think about, what does Willie look like? What does Willie maybe sound like? What does Willie do? What can he do that a snake can't do? So right here, this is what yours will look like, okay? And you're going to be writing character traits about Willie. All right, boys and girls? If you need any help with this, please let me know. If not, I'll see you next time.